Hi everybody, welcome back to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And today I'm going to review the Shark Steam Mop, the S1000 series. Now I've had steam mops before. In fact, I've had a Shark before and it lasted a good 10 years, I would say. But it's just not putting out the steam at all right now. And when it does, after I worked with it, it doesn't really put out real powerful steam anymore. So I went and I bought this Shark Ninja. It's supposed to clean and sanitize with just the water. It's supposed to do a 99% sterilization, no chemical residue. It cuts through the grease and the grime. It's good for wood, tile, marble, and stone. Not good for carpets. Or so it says. I have found that you can use it on carpet if you're very, very careful and don't scoot it really fast, kind of hold it up a little bit. It will work on carpets, but they don't recommend it. So, it was easy to put together. All I had to do was put the handles on, okay? And that was easy. It had little arrows that said point forward, push it down until you hear it click, and that's it. Another thing I like about it is that the pad comes off very quickly and very easily, and it's easy to put back on. It's washable. You can buy replacement ones. But what I really like about it is this water chamber. It just lifts off, so you can take it and fill it either in the sink or with distilled water. And it's easy to empty afterwards, so you don't have to have your water sitting in your reservoir all the time. And it's very easy to put back. Just snaps in. Okay, what I don't like about it is that the cord has no clips to hold it in place. You just got the one clip at the top, so you're constantly working with the cord. Now, my old one had a lift away, so you could take the steaming part away from the vacuum of the mop and use it for cleaning around, like sinks, toilet seats, stuff like that, where you wanted to spot clean. This one doesn't have that, but it does do a good job. You just sweep it back and forth, and as you are sweeping, handle kind of pumps, and that's what causes the steam to go, and it tells it how much steam to put in. So overall, I'm very pleased with it. I especially like the fact that you can take that little water canister off and clean it and keep it clean and keep emptying it easily afterwards instead of leaving it in, because the old one you couldn't really empty the chamber that easily. So overall, I'm liking this really well. I'm not exactly fond of the color. It's kind of a mint green, which doesn't go with my house. My house is blue. But I'll live with it. It goes with the family room upstairs. That's mint green. So I guess it does go with my house. Oh well. If you learned anything in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the likes button. Subscribe to the channel, please. Share it with your friends. If you're thinking about getting a Shark steam mop, or you're thinking about getting a steam mop, period, I would recommend the Shark one. It wasn't very expensive, less expensive than the old one. But like I said, the old one had the lift away, and this one doesn't. This is just a basic mop, and I've used it a few times, and it's done a really wonderful job. It heats up very quickly. Within 30 seconds, you're going. If you want to sanitize things, you have to wait 3 minutes and then start sanitizing. But you can be mopping and then go back over the area after 3 minutes and you've got sanitized. So again, dream big, follow that dream, and remember to hit the bell icon so you know when I'm on next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.